Hey guys, it's me, Hye-Felicia, and
Q.
anyway.
Hi Q.
No.
What up, Q? That's my brother, my channel.
What up, Q?
What up, Q?
Yeah, okay. Anyway, so we are coming to you with a hot sauce challenge. Can you read it? Read it.
Crazy ass hot. Oh.
Number 2.
Crazy ass too.
How crazy are you? So we have a die, right?
Yeah, die.
It's numbered 1 through 12, and all the hot sauces, well, 1 through 12. Number 1 is stupid. 2 is nuts. Well, 1 is jalapeno, stupid. 2 is nuts, jalapeno habanero. 3 is jalapeno habanero powder, foolish. 4 is dummy, and it has jalapeno habanero powder, ghost pepper. 5 is senseless, jalapeno habanero powder. Anyway, it has a lot. So you have idiotic, insane, moron, deranged, lunatic, psycho, and certifiable. So certifiable is jalapeno habanero powder, ghost pepper powder, scorpion pepper powder, Carolina Reaper powder, times 3, 1 million Scoville capsicum extract.
Yeah.
So
that just means that they're all hot.
not all of them.
Yeah, they're all hot.
We're going to be don't do that. We're gonna roll the dice there. Anyway, this is what we're gonna do. We're going to, when you roll the dice, we're gonna put the hot sauce to that level and take it like that, okay?
Okay. So the object of this game is, how do you play this game?
How hot can you go? So you could just take turns rolling the die and taste the sauce of the corresponding number. Keep going until there is only one crazy ass left.
Okay. So you're going to be the only crazy ass because you're going to be the only one still doing this.
Don't cop out. Just do it.
Well,
you first. Don't slam it right there.
All right. So what if we taste all of them?
No. We doing the dice. Okay? And then we'll do
I'll go first.
Where you rolling it?
I'm rolling it on the board.
Okay.
10.
Ooh.
That's lunatic.
He got a lunatic guy.
I would get a high number to start off.
Here. Ooh.
Man, this joint look all thick.
That's the wrong side, right? Oh, it's the right side. Okay.
No.
Ooh, yup. Put it in your mouth. You swallowed. I heard you swallow your spit.
This is some crazy ass. Number 10. Don't know what it is.
Yeah. Number 10 is lunatic. Jalapeno habanero powder, ghost pepper powder, scorpion pepper.
Yo!
Scorpion pepper powder, Carolina Reaper powder, and 1 million Scoville capsicum extract.
See, I'm tapping out quick. I need some chicken or something. Straight hot sauce ain't working.
They go orange.
What am I supposed to do with that?
Okay.
You gotta re-roll. They gotta stay on the box. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Certifiable.
I got number 12.
Got the highest one in the board.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
Yeah, let me help you. Let me feed it to you?
Nope.
Let me put it on your tongue for you?
Nope.
That's a lot darker than what I had.
You want some?
No, thank you. I'm trying to avoid 12. We don't like 12 around here. Okay. So I guess it's my turn again. What was the first one I had? I had number 10, right? Lunatic. So that means you went. Yeah. You okay, honey? Want some water? Oh, it's empty. It's empty. Sorry about that. Is it orange over here? Isn't that what you told me? Okay. On to the next one. 9. No, that's a 6. Hey. Okay. A little less. Number 6 is idiotic. Gotta be an idiot to be doing this challenge. Yo, why does it look darker?
Habanero powder. Yeah. I really lost my voice. What's that? Idiotic.
This is not fun. How is this a game? This is torture.
Okay.
I definitely need more than 2 people because this shit coming around too fast. Oops, excuse my language.
It's gonna come around too fast out your butt. What's that?
That's a 9, honey. Stay high.
That's the same thing.
No, it's not. The line is here. My line was under. That's a 9. Don't try to get a 6. 9.
No, I don't get it. They both look alike.
The line shows what's the bottom. Woo.
Wait, what? I don't get it.
It's a 9. Get that.
You cheating me.
No, you stalling. You cheating me.
9. Deranged. 9 is jalapeno. Habanero. Read number 9.
Whew.
Yeah.
Deranged. Number 9. Jalapeno. Habanero. Habanero powder. Ghost pepper powder. Scorpion pepper. Scorpion pepper powder. Carolina Reaper powder. It's just a bunch of hotness. Woo-wee. I'd rather have, it says players 2 to 10. 1 plus. We need some more participants.
This one is pretty good.
I think I gotta try a different part of my tongue next time. Whew. Putting it on the same taste buds is
Alright, I went.
totally insane.
Okay,
no rush.
You just wanna
Let's go. I need 1. I need a roll of 1. That's the lowest one.
roll 12.
Come on.
Okay, if you already, let's make this rule. You already tried number 10, right?
Yes.
Okay, so roll again. We're not gonna do no doubles.
Works for me. My nose is running. Oh,
Stop. Roll it in.
I'm trying.
7. Okay, what's 7?
Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain.
Insane has jalapeno, habanero powder, ghost pepper powder, scorpion pepper powder.
Try this out, man. Let me do mine quick so you can get to your next one.
Yeah, I ate the hottest. You didn't even eat the hottest.
I ain't trying to either. Woo! It's getting hot in here.
We both got hot sweat.
Whew.
Okay.
I need to bring this outside with me. Keep you warm. Whew.
Uh-oh. Ooh. I already tried 12. Oh, 5.
5 to stay alive.
What's 5?
5 is...
5 is senseless.
The
Let's see
taste
what-
buds will be totally senseless after tasting all these hot sauces.
Senseless. Ooh, your chest hot?
Nah, just my tongue.
Senseless, guys. That one's pretty good. Okay.
All right, now. I'm rolling for that stupid one.
Get that 12. 10.
I had 10 again, my friend. 8.
8.
8 is...
Moron, you moron. Here. Jalapeno, habanero powder, ghost pepper powder, scorpion pepper powder, Carolina Reaper. It's gonna be hot because you got that Carolina Reaper in there. Oh, you put in a lot on there. Oh, no, you're not. It's okay. Go. More on.
Put more on.
Put more on, moron. Okay.
You're about to get 8 just for calling me a moron.
8! You need to get 12.
8.
I need to get 1.
8. 5. Roll over.
I got 5 before. 2!
Come on, man. All these low numbers you keep getting got me sweating.
Sweating. Number 2 is nuts. It's only jalapeno and habanero. Oh, my chest is hot. Okay.
Listen, right. Woo.
Come on, pay attention.
I am.
This one you could tell is like, look, it's not even that thick. Mmm.
You said, like this stuff is good.
This one is good. Number 2. Okay, here you go.
Number 1, please. 5.
You got 5 already?
No, honey, I haven't tried 5.
Senseless?
You
I
just
tried
had 5.
Okay.
Okay, let's try the senseless.
Here.
No, thank you. I have my own utensils over here.
You're gonna need more.
I already have more.
Número 5.
This is not getting any better. Who would make a game like this?
A moron. A lunatic. A psycho.
This is not even fun.
Okay.
This is torture.
I already have 5. Come on, number 5 again. Number 5 again. No, I have number 12. What are you talking about? I don't even know what you're trying to collect your hands for. 1! Yay!
You're taking all the low numbers.
Numero 1 is stupid as jalapeno. Look, I had number 12. You ain't even have number 12 yet. You want me to make you the world's hottest chicken with these hot sauces?
No, thank you.
Why not?
Because I wouldn't eat it.
This one's okay. My chest is hot.
Mine too. You tapping out?
Nope.
Alrighty then.
He just want me to
Let's
tap
keep it
out.
going. Already had 7 heaven.
I need some grapes.
Try it again. 7 again.
That's Tremaine number
4.
Number 4.
Number 4 is you big dummy. Number 4 is dummy.
My stomach hurt.
Your stomach hurt? You want to stop?
No.
Want to stop before I take this? Matter of fact, let me hurry up and take this so you can go again. You okay over there?
Excuse me.
Where you going? Can't leave yet.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
It's your turn. Go to the bathroom after you take this last roll.
I quit.
No, heck no. One more. Let's go.
I can't.
Swedging. Come on.
I can't. Really, I can't.
What do you mean?
Do you see this, people?
Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Bye. Bye. She tapped out, y'all. She tapped out, y'all. Actually, guys, I didn't think I was going to be able to hang in there with her. Because she's constantly eating all this hot stuff here. And my taste buds really aren't built for this. Check it out, though. Crazy ass 2. Get your hot on. Peace.